All right, so this is an application walkthrough, right? What I'm doing now, it's looking at through the simulator, which is located on the right side of the landing page. That it's not a simulator, it's the actual application working there. So there are three ways you can use the application. One is using the simulator that you have on the right side of the landing page, which is the normal app. I know this is not very normal to see, but I think it's cool. Um, Secondly, it's if you dial hometown.community right now, you will access this screen here, right? Not with the phone, just the actual content, of course. And the third way you can see this is if you download the app and open it in your device. It's the same experience. So let's do a walkthrough. This is a proposal presentation with this nice little picture. I think people liked colors and graphics. That's why I picked this. I didn't want to make it too like formal or square, I wanted to make it fun. That's why all the colors and the graphics. Well, we can pick another font. I mean, it's okay for me. It's not a problem. All this is my proposal. The name, though, it's like already reserved, so we have to stick with this name for now. And we can change anything, right? Everything can be changed here, actually. So enter Epping. Epping is the first and only city. So let's enter Epping. And let me explain a little bit the different parts of the application. You have a top menu here. Home, as you can see, you will see posts here. Right now it's empty. We will be adding some content now in these videos. But this is how it looks like now, pretty empty. When we have users, they will see a list of posts here. There is a description here what posts are about. And then as you can see here, only businesses can post here, right? This is not like Facebook or Instagram where people post, or Nextdoor perhaps, on the main feed. No, this is for businesses. And what is a business for us? It can be you providing a service, right? Like a mortgage advisor, doctors, designers, or a physical shop, right? A restaurant, bookstore, whatever, charity, everything it's a business for us, right? And if you're a business, you can post your news right here. So it's reserved for them. But what about people? What people that is not a business? All right, that's why we have this second tab here, which is also empty. Um, but here this is like an Instagram style, right? People can upload media, videos and pictures. And the funny thing is that everything you see here, it should be related to Epping, to the town where you are, right? It's not like you're going to post pictures of your trip to New Zealand or whatever. I mean, how we deal with that, let's talk about it. And how we prevent people from posting things from holidays. I guess they will get it, but we can moderate as well. I don't know. We need to see that. Buy. Well, buy it, all the businesses are going to appear here, right? Restaurants, yourself, your business, it's not appearing here, the one we created before, because remember it was created without the user, so there is no way to show it. We need to approve it. You need to create a user, and that business will be related to you, and then it's when it appears here. So right now there's nothing, but you can also add a business from here. As you can see, the same screen you saw before, it's right here. You have categories here like food and drink. If you just pick, we will filter only bars and pubs or cafes, right? And all the businesses will appear here. If you are just looking for cake and you search, all the places selling cake will appear here, right? Right now there's nothing, so nothing to show. We also have a marketplace. A marketplace, we will add some items here, but the idea is that you can sell and buy things that you have at home, right? So you can publish here, put a price, give them for free, and that's it. That's the marketplace about. All right, so services. Services is for everybody doing like gardening, job, plumbing, electrical. You need someone to do some electrical work on your house. Well, you come here and all of them will appear here, so you can hire them. They can be recommended by other users, so that's a very nice feature. And the last one is events. So you can see events in Epping today, this week, this weekend, etc. Right? The idea is to bring all those and flyers and stuff you see on boards all over the city, right? Bring them here, give them a space, being able to post updates, communicate with the people, everything, right? Is gonna be here, and they will be able to receive money as well in the future. But we will get to that. And those are all the parts. We will be in these videos. I will be showing you one by one how this works. And what I want to do right now is to create my user, right, or login. To do that, it's very simple. You just click here, and I was thinking, right, what's the best way for our users to create the account and log in? Well, people don't want passwords. That's fine. So the only thing you need is your email, right? And yeah, you may say, and why? Because people uses emails from everywhere, not just Gmail. Because you may say, why don't we use the Gmail? Logging with Gmail and stuff like that. Yeah, but what if you don't want Gmail? What if you don't like it? You may say, all right, then you have Apple, I think, or you have login with Facebook or Instagram. But no, because we want to move away. We want people to move away from the traditional social network. So it will be ironic if we let users log in with Facebook and Instagram when we want to get them away from there. So it's really simple. You just type your email here, and we will send you a code. I'm going to read that code right now. So I will receive. I'll receive the code, and I paste the code here. I validate the code, and that's it. That's the only thing you need to do to log in, right? That's it. You create your user, and you're in. It's very, very simple. It takes you to my profile, which is this button here. So it takes you here. Of course, you don't have a name. So the first thing we want to do is to put some image, some user picture, and our name. We do that from my profile. So I'll pick a picture. I have this one. All right, I'll use this, and I will update. That's it, right? That's it. Simple as that. Go back here to my profile, and we have different things. Remember that I spoke about journalism, right? Motivates local journalism. Anyone can be a writer. If you don't want to see this anymore, you just dismiss with this X, and this will never appear again. But let's say I'm a journalist, or I'm not a journalist. I like to write stuff for Epping, right? Different things that I see, maybe my opinion or something. We should perhaps change this. Would you like to speak your mind or something like that, right? You don't have to be a writer to write stories. Yeah, I think let's talk about this. We need to change this title. But let me write an article right now. It takes you here to your private space, and I will grab something that already exists. I don't know. I'm just grabbing from some place, right? Let me pick this, And let me just pick the full article, which is not very long. I can paste it here. I can put some tags, rent. I don't know. I can do a preview. All right, looks good, and then publish. Of course, we say that the article will be approved, but actually they are already approved. So we go to home. You can see the first post. It's my article. Also, articles will be posted here in the home page, so all writers can appear here. This little help tooltip will appear, but you can dismiss them and they will never appear again, right? So here you see the rent review. You can share it, the normal stuff. You can save it to your favorites. You can chat with the author, and or you can of course view the article, right? So it works like a newspaper. And all right, that's the main part of this walkthrough. I'll go next with the different other videos, going side by area by area, section by section, and showing you how to create that stuff, right?